Hello guys, today I am going to show you another my favorite dish recipe called tau yu bak. Bak is a pork. Tau yu is the soya sauce. Mean the pork cook in soya sauce. First of course get a pork meat first and garlic. Slice the meat to the shape as video. And the garlic no need slice to small. Just simply smash it to break it will do. Get the meat not too fat as it will cause your dish oily. I personally like to add the sauce to the rice and eat. Too oily will feel disgusting and dizzy. First get oil hot first, then add the meat into it. And stir fried it. Lower down the heat so the fat of the meat can release out. Remember the oil to stir fried this meat, do not use too much. Just apply a little bit, okay already. We apply the oil is to extract out the fat of the meat.
Just stir fried and stir fried. Just stir fried and stir fried. Just stir fried and stir fried. Just stir fried and stir fried.
Add in garlic when you see the meat is almost cooked. Then continue stir fried the garlic. Mix the garlic and meat together. Add dark sauce into it once the mixture is cooked. The amount of the dark sauce is depend on you. If you like darker, then you apply more. If possible, get the dark sauce taste not salty. If no, have also never mind. If you using salty dark sauce, then you need to adjust the amount salt applied to it. Stir fried again to get all the meat coated with dark sauce. Once all meat coated with dark sauce, add light soya sauce into it. No need add much. After that add some salt into it. If your dark soya sauce is salty type, then you can no need add salt into it. My dark soya sauce is not salty type. Continue stir fried to let it even and dry. Let me speed up the progress. Once it dry, add water into it. Add water until all the meat submerge. Let it boil and cover the lid. After 20 minutes, open lid and stir or turn the meat to another side. For better absorption. Sometime later open the lid and check. If the meat is soft, then your dish is ready to serve. Now take out the food and serve with white rice. Simple and nice. Okay, let me stop here. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.